If you have limited space, then you're looking for space-saving solutions. What you need is floor space. You can store things high up off the ground, in which case you need something to elevate you. What you don't want to do is use a stool or a chair because it's not safe. So I want to introduce to you the ILad. It's an ironing board and a step ladder in one for space saving. You have the step ladder. It's made out of steel. It's very, very robust and strong and durable. First of all, notice you've got the anti-slip grips, which is peace of mind. It's very, very sturdy. It actually holds a weight of 150 kilograms, which is equivalent to 23.5 stone. So it's very strong. I'm going to go right to the top. Notice that I'm using the handle. Well, it's not a handle, but I'm using it as a handle. It's the ironing board. It's very, very sturdy. Okay, I can go right to the top. So you can do what you need to do, far safer than a chair or a stool or, those kind of things that we tend to use when we don't have this to hand. Most people keep their step ladder out in the shed or the garden, but it's handy to have some steps indoors for those high cupboards and the shelves and what have you, or changing a light bulb. Okay, then you have the ironing board, and to put it into an ironing board, it's really simple. This is the leg that you use to turn it into an ironing board, and you just tip it over like this. Okay, the easiest way to do it, tip the step ladder forward like this so it's diagonal. You've got the leg, you just use your foot, so you don't even have to bend over. Okay, so the ironing board, you have the cover. The cover is machine washable, heat resistant and anti-slip. It also has a 7mm thick foam, and the reason that's important is because you've got the mesh here for the steams. You can use the steam iron on the ironing board, and what you don't want to happen is for the imprint of the mesh to go onto your clothes. That's why we have the 7mm thick foam. So now I want to show you the final thing about the ILad. It's the storage aspect of it. So I'm going to put it back into the step ladder position, and all you do to store it, to fold it flat, is you lift it here, okay, at the top step. That collapses it so that you can fold it flat. So as you can see, it's very small and compact. Now what you can do, there's two options here. You can hang it if you'd like. You can hang it, no problem. The other option is to just store it against the wall. Now this is where it gets interesting. You can place the ILad flat against the wall. It's weighted because of the step ladder at the back, so it's very sturdy against the wall. You don't have to lean it like you do a traditional ironing board, so it's taking up less space than an ironing board. If you look here, it's taking up this much space away from the wall, so it's an excellent space saver, and of course it's very sturdy. Not only is there the weight at the back that's securing it flat against the wall, but you've also got the feet on the ground as well, which adds to the stability of the ironing board when you store it. So if I just give that a bit of a wobble, you'll see that it's not falling over like a traditional ironing board. If you have limited space, then you're looking for space-saving solutions. What you need is floor space. You can store things high up off the ground, in which case you need something to elevate you. What you don't want to do is use a stool or a chair because it's not safe. So I want to introduce to you the ILad. It's an ironing board and a step ladder in one for